Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? Hope good. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing how to make crispy sweet potato, peppered sauce, and tasty chicken. So we're going to be making three things all together. And if you are interested, please continue watching and make sure you watch till the end, okay? Alright guys, let's jump right into the video. Here is our protein. We're making use of chicken legs, already washed, as you can see. I have made some incisions on them already. So you go ahead and use your knife to give them some incisions. Now it is time to season them, okay? Now you go in with some salt. Next is your seasoning. Measuring it should be a teaspoon of each, okay? I usually break them up, but this one seems hard. Yeah, this is 2 cubes of seasoning. Next is a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of ginger powder, a teaspoon of mixed herbs, guys, a full teaspoon of paprika powder. Once you've added it, go on and mix, okay? Mix to well combine. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious meals, baking, small chores and snacks, and more. So guys, if it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and hit the subscription button so you become part of this amazing, beautiful family, okay? Thank you. All right, guys, at this point, we're done mixing. It is time to grill them, okay? So guys, we're going to grill right away. Hence the reason we made the incisions. You can leave it to marinate for an hour or more, okay? Now transfer on your baking pan. Make sure you place your parchment paper on it, okay, or foil paper. Now pop into your oven and allow to grill. While that is happening, let's work on the other ingredients. Yes. So in here, we've got some vegetables. We have long pointed peppers, some spring onions, scotch bonnet pepper. You are free to reduce the peppers. Some cayenne pepper. Yeah, this is for our pepper sauce. We have some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, guys. Here is onions. We have garlic and ginger as well. We're not going to make the whole of the ginger. Half of it is fine and half of the garlic is fine. Now go on and wash them, okay? Pour everything into the blender and blend. Sorry guys, I have to do it off camera. Oh, look at what we have here after blending. Yeah, it is looking good. You don't have to blend it smoothly. It should be a bit rough, okay? Smooth but a bit rough. Just like this. You see the texture? This is how it should look when you're done with yours, okay? Now moving on. Here is our sweet white potato, guys. This is what it looks like for those who doesn't know. So you go ahead and scrape the back, just like you're watching me do. Remember, you can use more than this, depending how much you can consume or your family can consume, okay? Mind you, this particular potato is in fact, a little amount of it can get you full for a whole day. Yes. So you can easily get full with just a small amount of it. So guys, at this point, we're done peeling this one. You do the same with the remaining one. Now it is time to cut them up. Cut them into bite sizes, just like this. And like I said earlier, if it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe, okay? Hit the subscription button. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to receive an alert each time I post or upload a new video, okay? Thank you. All right, guys, at this point, we're done cutting. Yeah, it is time to season. Season with some salt, okay? And combine it. We want it crispy, at the same time tasty. So do not skip to add a little amount of salt. A pinch of it is fine. All right, guys, moving on. Get your pan. It is time to fry them. Go in with reasonable amount of your vegetable oil. Now, once it is heated, place in your sliced potatoes. Yeah, we're going to be frying them. So Fry on medium heat. You don't want it to burn. After frying for a minute or two, now it is time to flip the other side and allow to fry for 1 or 2 minutes again. We are just making sure that it is well fried, okay? So once you're done, it is time to drizzle in some little amount of cold water. This will make it come out crispy outside and soft inside. Yeah. Remember, we are making crispy sweet potato, so make sure you drizzle in some cold water into it and allow to fry. Please do not skip it, okay? At this point, guys, it is set. This is after a minute and some seconds. It is ready. Oh my, it is looking good, crispy. Guys, this is good. Now scoop it off the oil and do the same with the remaining potatoes. As you can see, this is the second batch and it is set as well. So we are taking it off the oil. Let me seize this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my newest and returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this amazing, beautiful family. Guys, your girl is very grateful. Thank you so much for your love and your support so far. I am grateful. Please keep it up, okay? All right, guys, it's time to make our pepper sauce. Please go ahead and reduce the oil, okay? Now, transfer your pepper mixture into it. If you're starting with a fresh oil, please allow it to heat, okay? Heat it up a bit before transferring your pepper mix. Now, stir and allow it to fry. We're going to fry it until it is dry, okay? Yes. So, guys, this is after 2 minutes and we are checking. Give it a nice stir. Now season with some salt and some seasoning. Pepper sauce doesn't require too much, too much spices and all of that. Salt and seasoning is just fine, okay? But if you choose to add extra, want to go extra, it is still fine. But take it from me. Salt and seasoning, perfect, okay? The ginger, garlic, and the spring onions there will give it that unique flavor that it deserves. So don't worry. At this point, guys, we are done after frying for extra 3 minutes. This is what we have here set. And this is us checking back on our chicken. Guys, it is ready. You see the reason why we started off with our protein. It is ready just at the time we needed it. So guys, it is time to plate our dish. We already have our sweet potato here. Now we are dishing out our tasty chicken. Guys, oh my, please give this recipe a go. I assure you, you will love it. It is time to plate our tasty peppered sauce. Oh my, guys, the flavor, oh my, this is it. Guys, please give it a go, okay? It tastes good and it is easy to make. Just follow the process and you're good to getting this recipe right on your dining table. And there you have it, guys. Our tasty chicken, peppered sauce, and crispy white sweet potato is set. This is looking good. Lovely. Please let me know how it turns out for you in the comment section because you're going to try it. You have to. So it is time to test. Please test with me. Now you grab the potato and dip it into the pepper sauce, guys. Oh my, guys. Not only does it look good, it also tastes good. Super good, guys. Please give it a go. Also, remember to share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. Thank you, guys. And if you have any question, leave it under the comment section. I promise you I will attend to it. All right, guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. And if you found it interesting, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe and follow for more easy tasty recipes. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling. See ya.